Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to build an animated landing page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a 2024 tutorial, perfect for beginners who want to create a stunning and interactive landing page. Before we dive in, may have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you're new to these technologies, don't worry, I'll explain each concept as we go along. Before we start coding, let's plan our landing page. What do you want to achieve? What message do you want to convey? Who is your target audience? Write down your ideas and we'll use them as a guide throughout this tutorial. Create a new HTML file called index.html and add the basic structure of an HTML document. Create a new CSS file called styles.css and add the basic styling for the body and a class called landing page. Add the basic landing page content to your index.html file, including an H1 heading, a paragraph of text, and a button. Add basic CSS styling for the landing page content, including font sizes, colors, and styling for the button. Create a new JavaScript file called script.js and add code to handle button click events. Add animation code to create a function that generates random top and left coordinates for the button and animates it. Add CSS animation to move the button from its original position to the bottom right corner of the screen. Update the animation function to move the button randomly when it's clicked for interactivity. Add a transition effect to scale up the button when the landing page is hovered over. Update the animation function to move the button randomly when it's hovered over for additional interactivity. Add a box shadow effect to the landing page element when it's not hovered over, and remove it when hovered over for final touches. Save all your files, index.html, styles.css, and script.js in the same directory. Open your index.html file in a web browser, e.g. Google Chrome, and test your landing page. Once you've tested your landing page, you can publish it online using platforms like GitHub Pages or Netlify. You've successfully built an animated landing page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with building interactive web pages. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and coding guides.